My name is Friday. Everyone say Friday. Say Friday. Ah, I like that vibe. So first off, I mean, see I have this whole sun glowing on my face. First off, I see people pulling nets. I don't know what I should go and pull, but if I pull, who's going to record me? I'm going to try to help them. I don't know, what's the process of pulling the boats from the water? I don't know, okay. But then I see people pulling their nets. They've gone fishing the whole night and then they are back. So I'm going to observe, and I want you to come observe with me, you know. Just when I was ready to pull, the whole rope left us, and now we have to go and mount it elsewhere. So observe, and then let's see how it's gonna happen. But like, it's my first time trying this. I don't know, it requires a lot of energy. Yeah. Are we pulling here? Okay. So let's go pull. Let me mount the camera right here. So we have to keep pulling, and this is where you have to mount the stick. Smile, say hi. So you two are pulling. Second walk into the whole vibe, and now I have this whole set of people with me. Yeah, I think I'm a trout. Yeah. But one thing when it comes to Maha, I have a friend Maha. Anochi. Okay, so when you find yourself in Maha, where I mean, Maha is the name of the resort. However, the name of this place is Adochi. Say it. Adochi. What's the kind? Anochi. So it's Anochi. If you find yourself here, I mean, there are a lot of things you can do. You can vibe with the villagers here, and maybe go on a boat ride or learn how to fish. It's a little bit cloudy today, so I'm not sure I can do this, but I'm just going to spend time learning how to weave the net. Alright, so I'm done with the short lines. I mean, I can continue on and on and on, but like, I'm done with it. I'm going in search of something else. I mean, I believe I will discover more, so I'm just in search of adventure. and that is why you are coming along with me, because once there's an adventure, there's Fred, and once there's Fred, there's this wonderful viewer. That is you. Yeah. All right. One thing I like about this place is how they've used raffia everywhere for their houses. I mean, it's mixed. So there are raffias, and there are also concrete walls. So it's a mixture of everything. Whatever you want, you take. Met these amazing guys. Guys, say hi! Say hello! Hello! Say subscribe to his YouTube! Subscribe to YouTube! Oh yeah, that you have to subscribe to my YouTube so that I can come out of Accra and far from the city and be doing this. These guys are very happy. Please, what's your name?
My name is Ofori.
Ofori, and you?
Dominica Lua.
Agala. Okay, and you?
Asik.
Uh-huh.
Ebenezer Joe.
Uh-huh.
Just the same.
Okay.
Nicolas.
Nicolas and? My name is Fred Dye. Everybody say Fred Dye. Fred Dye. Say Fred Dye. Fred Dye. Ah, I like that vibe. So I've met some new friends. So first of all, where I am is close to Ivory Coast, and majority of them here speak Nzima and French. Comment tu t'appelles?
Nicolas.
Nicolas. Tu fais quoi ici au Ghana?
J'ai filé.
Tu fais quoi?
Je suis venu pour partir à l'école.
Ah, so Nicolas est venu au Ghana, non? Il est venu au Ghana pour aller à l'école. Et puis, tu as fait combien de temps ici?
J'ai fait 2 mois ici.
2 mois. Quelle langue que tu parles? Français et puis quoi?
Français et puis à polonais.
À polonais. Ah, à polonais et puis Nzima, c'est même langue?
Oui.
Oh, ok. D'accord. En français, je m'appelle Fabrice. Et puis, en anglais, c'est Frederick Dye. Il faut... Tu connais YouTube, non? YouTube. Oui. Il faut dire à mon viewers qu'il faut subscribe. My French is finished. We are ready. Okay. 1, 2, go. Okay, next person. Hey. Okay. Next person. Coming. Who else got down? Okay. Let's go. Oh. Hey. Be careful with this one. Hey. Coupe. Guys, thank you so much.